Apat na bank accounts na kailangan ng isang OFW. Number 1 is cash flow. Dito papasok ang mga income at saka essential expenses mo. Kasali na rin dito ang mga rent, utilities, pagkain, at ang pagpadala mo ng pera sa Pilipinas. Para masulit ang pagpadala mo ng pera sa Pilipinas, pwede mo gamitin ang TapTapSend, which is a money sending app designed for OFWs. It has better rates and zero transfer fees on mobile wallets tulad ng GCash, and a minimal pickup fee for cash transactions via Cebuana Luwilier. Meron ka rin matatanggap na welcome bonus on your first send to the Philippines if gamitin mo ang promo code na The Present. If you're sending from America or Canada, your receiver will get $20 more. 30 Australian dollars naman if galing Australia, 25 dirhams if UAE, 10 pounds if galing UK, at 10 euro pag galing Europe. So kung wala ka pang TapTapSend on your phone, feel free to download it and sign up from there. Pangalawang account is emergency. Ideally, this should be 6 months worth of your expenses para just in case may masamang mangyari sa'yo, you are financially prepared. Maganda rin kung meron kang emergency account para hindi ka mangungutang just in case of emergencies. Number 3 is investment account. Ang usual kasi na mindset ng mga OFWs ay mag-work lang sila sa abroad for the next 5 to 10 years para makapag-ipon sila ng pera at uuwi na sa Pilipinas. But unfortunately, umaabot sila ng mga 20 years or even more kasi nga wala silang naitabi na pera for their investments. So ito yung purpose ng investment account, para yung pera mo ay nagtatrabaho for you instead of you working for money. Pwede mo itong i-invest sa mga investment platforms tulad ng stock market, mutual funds, crypto, real estate, REITs, at iba pa. Pang-apat na account is your desire account. Dito papasok yung mga pera na gusto mong gastusin para sa sarili mo. Because you also have to reward yourself for doing a great job with your finances. So kung gusto mong bumili ng bag, luxury watch, mag-travel abroad, or even just have fun, doon mo kukunin yung pera. Pro tip lang, just in case may mangungutang sa'yo, pwede mo rin gamitin yung desire fund mo, hindi naman lahat, maybe a portion of it, na ipautang mo sa kanya. Or just in case na hindi siya magbabayad, hindi masyado siya masakit for you, kasi nasettle mo pa rin ang emergency, essentials mo, at saka investment mo for your future. Which of these bank accounts ang wala ka pa? Share your answers sa comment section.